Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the SereneLife SLSPLTST12A, a 12,000 BTU mini-split air conditioner and heat pump. I've looked through the product details and researched this system across the internet to see what it offers and whether I would recommend buying it. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The biggest advantage of this SereneLife system is that it provides both cooling and heating in one unit. Instead of buying separate equipment for different seasons, you can switch between cooling and heat depending on weather. There are also auto, dry, and fan modes, giving you more flexibility for everyday comfort. With 12,000 BTUs of capacity, this model is designed for rooms up to around 550 square feet. That makes it a good match for a large bedroom, living room, home office, studio, or similar space. Of course, real-world coverage will depend on insulation, ceiling height, sunlight, and the climate where you live, so the square foot rating shouldn't be treated as a guarantee for every room. Energy efficiency is another strong point. The system carries a 20 SEER2 rating, which is impressive for a mini-split in this class. If you're going to run your air conditioner regularly, better efficiency can help reduce electricity consumption compared with older or less efficient systems. The Wi-Fi connectivity is also a feature I like. You can control the system remotely, which means you don't necessarily have to walk over to the unit every time you want to change the temperature. Being able to adjust the climate before you get home or from another room can be especially convenient. Noise levels are rated as low as 28 decibels, making this system particularly interesting for bedrooms and home offices. A quieter indoor unit means you can sleep, work, or watch television without having a loud compressor or fan constantly competing for attention. Another useful feature is auto restart. If there's a power interruption, the unit can automatically resume operation once electricity returns. That's a small feature, but it can be extremely convenient because you don't have to manually restart the system after every outage. SereneLife also includes an installation kit, which is a major advantage when comparing mini-splits. The package includes a 5-meter copper pipe, remote control, and AC power cord. Having these components included can simplify the installation process and potentially reduce the number of additional parts you need to purchase. The programmable timer is another useful addition. You can schedule operation around your daily routine instead of leaving the system running continuously. Combined with adjustable fan speeds and the different operating modes, there's plenty of flexibility for customizing your comfort. However, there are still a few things to consider. This is a wall-mounted mini-split, so installation isn't as simple as plugging in a portable air conditioner. You'll need to make sure the installation is performed correctly, and, depending on local requirements, professional installation may be necessary. You should also confirm that your electrical setup is suitable for this 120-volt system. The 550 square foot rating is another important consideration. If you're trying to cool or heat a much larger or poorly insulated space, a 12,000 BTU system may not be enough. So, after researching the SereneLife SLSPLTST12A across the internet, would I buy it? Yes, if I needed an efficient mini-split for a room or space around its recommended size. The 12,000 BTU capacity, 20 SEER2 efficiency, heating and cooling, Wi-Fi control, 28 dB quiet operation, auto restart, and included installation kit create a very practical package. I would skip it if you're trying to condition a significantly larger space or if you want a completely portable system with no installation involved. But for a bedroom, office, studio, or large room where permanent climate control makes sense, this SereneLife mini-split is definitely worth considering. If you want a quiet, energy-efficient system that can provide heating and cooling while giving you convenient Wi-Fi control, the SereneLife SLSPLTST12A deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.